automated affiliate marketing business is ready. Ready to step into the world of affiliate marketing, but not sure where to start? I know the feeling. When you first start out online, it feels like you're only getting part of the story, leaving you to connect all the dots together yourself. But the good news is, now you don't have to, because Wayne Crowe has brought everything together under one package. It's called Megabuilders. Imagine having every element of affiliate marketing taken care of for you. No more worrying about creating squeeze pages. No more hassle with crafting lead magnets. No need to find offers or create sales pages. No more spending hours on email, campaigns. No more struggling to connect together complicated softwares. In other words, it's a fully automated affiliate business. And let me tell you from personal experience, Megabuilders is not just about making a few bucks. It's about building a real affiliate business, just like tons of members I've seen in the inside the Megabuilders community who earn 5 to 6 figures with the system. And here's the cool part. Your fully automated affiliate marketing business is ready and waiting for you right now. Everything is ready to roll. So what are you waiting for? Become a Megabuilder now, and I'll see you on the inside.